What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the camera crashing issue in Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all tap and hold on the camera app and then tap on this information icon. Now over here tap on this force stop option on the bottom left corner, and then from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm. Now after force stopping the camera app, the camera crashing issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down this white circle, and when this circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, it will fix small software glitches in your phone like camera crashing issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is open settings, tap on about phone, and then tap on software version. Now from here check if your phone's software is up to date or not. So if it's not updated to the latest version, then update your phone to the latest version, and after updating your phone, the camera crashing issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the camera crashing issue in Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.